Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you about the plant tissue. So first of all, what is tissue? So the definition is that the tissue can be defined as a group of cells having special or similar sets of function. So tissue can be defined as a group of cells. So the basic pathway for the formation of an organism, it is the cell, and group of cells will form the tissue. Different tissues will form the tissue system, and the many tissue system will form the organs present in the body will form organ system, and the organ system will form the organism. It may be plant or animal. So it is the basic pathway for the formation of an organism, either plant or animal. So cell is the basic unit of life. Now we are talking about the plant tissue, and plant tissue can be defined as a group of cells having similar sets of function. Now, what are the different types of plant tissue found in plant body? So, plant tissue is of two types. Plant tissue is of two different types. First of all, meristematic and permanent. Meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. So, what is meristematic plant tissue? Meristematic tissue are those whose cells having the power of regeneration or active cell division. So, meristematic tissue has their regeneration capacity. Where they found? Their location is shoot and root apex. It means they are found in the growing tips of the plant body, that is root and shoot apex. They are entirely group of living cells. Now, what are the permanent tissue? Permanent tissue are the tissue they lost the power of cell division. So what does it mean? The loss of power of cell division. It means they are comprises of dead cells. So these are the major types of plant. Depending on the position of the plant body, the meristematic tissue again can be divided into three types. Number 1, apical meristem. Number 2, intercalary meristem. And number 3, lateral meristem. So, when you imagine a plant body, the growing tip of a plant body, it is the part, the tip of the plant having the apical meristem, and the internodal portion, that is the portion present in between the two nodes, is called the internode. The middle portion, it is called the intercalary meristem. So, in the internodal region, intercalary meristem are found, and in this lateral position, peripheral to the plant body, comprises of the lateral meristem. So, the activity means the cell division of these three different group of cells causing the plant growth, and it is called primary growth. So, permanent tissue can be defined as the group of cells having lost the power of cell division. They are of two types, that is simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. So, the simple permanent tissue having only one type of cells. Permanent tissue is of three types. First one is that parenchyma. Second one is that the collenchyma. And the third one is the sclerenchyma. Here the parenchyma and collenchyma are the living cells, but the sclerenchyma are the dead cells. So, the parenchyma cells are isodiametric in nature, that is, they are more or less equal in shape and size. Collenchyma cells are having thick corners, deposition of lignin and other cell wall materials. The sclerenchyma cells are entirely needle-like and they are mainly mechanical in function. Complex permanent tissue again is of two types, that is xylem and phloem. Xylem is again made up of three different types of cells, that is xylem, parenchyma, tracheit and vessels. The phloem is again made up of the phloem parenchyma sieve tube and companion cells. The sieve function of the xylem and phloem is to give mechanical support to the plant body and to transport food materials to different parts of the plant